After hitting $44 a share intraday today, AMC pulled all the way back where it's actually closed today around 40 and 80 cents a share. Well, why I'm not this surprised with this pullback today? Because this was expected. Yesterday, following the ridiculous report we got from the SEC, and this really shows how bad, this situation is with the report. But in this video, I want to go over some good news, some actually bombshell news that the CEO is actually planning on dropping on the street in a couple of weeks, and that is referring to the earnings call. So going into what Adam Aron said exactly today. And AMC is just weeks away from announcing entirely different business lines, CEO says. This just dropped. And now, first of all, he's acknowledging that now the individual investor is the one owning AMC, and he's still working for him. He's still working for those retailers. So this was already known by us, because if the apes wasn't here, I don't think Adam Aron will have actually the tools and the resources to actually go on the offensive. But it seems like things are pretty much turning completely around from where AMC was, at least even prior to the pandemic hitting. So this is a whole new different company that he's actually running now. You don't drive a car by looking in the rear view mirror. You drive a car by looking through the windshield and looking forward. So he's acknowledging that not only they're willing to work hard at putting the company not where it was in 2019. We have absolutely no intention of just bringing back the company that existed in 2019. Following a series of offerings, they were able to, back in, when we, in the last months, they were able to raise some cash. And they're sitting now on a war chest of around $2 billion in cash. So he's intending to use that money in order to transform ANC and put the company to a whole new level. He told CNBC that he plans to use his money to transform AMC, and that the company has several big ideas. I think we are just weeks away from announcing a new business line for our company that is not running movie theaters as you traditionally know them. What do we know so far? We know that AMC already moved into the sports industry. AMC will start showing football games in theaters, and I had read some comments on social media, this past Sunday, that people actually went in AMC theaters, and people seem to actually be happy and comfortable with the idea of watching a live football game in a theater rather than just on their couch sitting at home. So that we already know. We already know that AMC is actually also moving into the gaming industry, and AMC lately, Adam Aron announced that AMC is not far from being actually an issuer of cryptocurrency, a cryptocurrency issuer. So maybe there are some other news in the pipes that Adam Aron is going to announce. But when it comes to this whole thing and the short squeeze, it's obvious that AMC is now turning the whole car. AMC is turning the whole arts, and is going to transform itself, meaning that whatever the shorts thought the share price will actually get to, it doesn't make any sense now. It doesn't make any sense anymore, because when more investors, when more people get to actually see, based on the earnings call, what AMC is actually going to be as a new company with these different types of income streams and source of revenues, is definitely going to attract a lot more type of investors. So that is what we want, because more buying pressure means more pressure put on the shorts to actually cover the shorts, the positions they are actually holding, because it would be unbearable. They can continue to hold this way.